How to care for a parrot. Necessary steps you must take for a healthy bird. 1. Good nourishment is the most important part of a high-quality life for your bird, and different species require different care. Generally, their diet contains vegetables, fresh fruits. Parrot pellets feed in a first-class vitamin-enriched seed mix made specifically for parrots, and fresh water daily. 2. Vital to keep your bird's cage clean, daily washing the perches, dishes or any surface of their cage with mild soap and water. Never use cleaners such as bleach, ammonia or a mold and mildew cleaner, as these can burn their eyes, skin and respiratory tract. 3. Inspect the cage for any unsafe conditions such as broken places which would have jagged places in the metal. Remove and/or repair. 4. When handling your parrot, you need to remember cleanliness for yourself. Wash your hands quite frequently when you are handling birds, preparing their meals, and handling their dishes. This will prevent any bacterial infections you could possibly give your parrot. Human saliva contains germs that are unsafe to parrots, so you should never let your parrot place its beak in your mouth or nose. 5. Keep in mind the size of the parrot's cage is important as well. Your parrot should be able to extend his wings within his cage comfortably. As well, the cage should be large enough to hold a few parrot toys. Parrots can and often are quite capable of attaching extremely strong bonds with their owners. 6. When considering purchasing a parrot, you are taking on a lifetime dedication. Parrots are societal creatures, and placing your parrot in an area where your family spends most of their time is crucial for your parrot's quality of life. Consider not placing your parrot's cage in the kitchen, as this could cause him or her to be at risk of unsafe chemicals. 7. Parrots will require a small amount of grooming throughout their entire lives. Their nails and beak will need to be clipped about every 3 or 4 weeks as they continue to grow forever. Unkempt nails could get trapped in the perches or their toys. Many parrot owners also get their parrot's wings clipped every so often to put a stop to the parrot flying. As a parrot owner, you need to recognize the significance of your parrot's needs and how to meet them. Parrots are loving, marvelously smart and playful. With good and proper care, your parrot will flourish in your home. For better overall parrot care, I also like to recommend you check out the Ultimate Guide to Raising Parrots. Click the link below this video in the description box today.